My hope and dream for this college is that UCR continues to lead the country in college graduation for African Americans and first generation of students. My dad's name is Tilga. It's always been the dream of my father to come to the US to study, and when I have the opportunity to come and move to this country, I always think about what he wanted and his inability to do that. And that's really the inspiration behind Tilga. And so what I do at UCR is keeping that promise that I made to myself, that I will honor my father. And this scholarship allows me to help other students realize the dream that their parents might have for them.
As a student of color, as a first-generation college student, as an immigrant student, it means a lot knowing that I have support on campus and that I can help support my community because I have this financial support, so I don't have to worry about my finances, and I can volunteer in the community and empower people around me.
It helps out the black students on campus. A lot of students come from low economic backgrounds, so they don't have the financial stability at home. It can really help them out and to experience life and to help them out with the financial means that they need.
To me, the Tilga Scholarship means opportunity. So because of the scholarship, I was able to apply to take the LSAT and score really well in a way that made me much more competitive for a lot of the schools that I've been applying to. And thankfully, I was able to get a lot of good offers because of that LSAT score.
And what we're trying to do is to provide additional investment in terms of leadership development, financial literacy, networking opportunities, internship opportunities, connecting them with mentors in the community, bringing all of these resources together to help the students continue towards their goal of not only graduating, but becoming successful in each of their careers. It's really a very pleasant experience to work with UCR. Everybody is very passionate about advancing the mission of this college, helping first-generation students to graduate, helping minorities to graduate. And that passion is really what makes this college different from every other institution that I've actually worked with.